Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here, which comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Or additionally you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you got one of those, you want to pop out your tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. As you can see right over here where the pin is holding. Push it in, and the tray pops out. There we go. Once you take it out, you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card, each slot being dedicated for the card. From there, once it's in the tray, insert it back into your phone, and the cards should start working immediately. Oops. So there we go, there's the pin for the SIM card. So SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well, which you can see right here, SD card inserted. And that is how you would insert your cards in here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.